Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Before we get started, I just wanted to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much for your subscribing and liking and commenting, and I really do appreciate all of the love and support you guys show this channel. I am over 200 subscribers now, and that is crazy to me because I just started this channel a little over 2 months ago, and I really do appreciate how fast this channel is growing. So I'm going to go over a watch here, and it's a watch that I've already done a review on, but everybody loves this watch. It is probably the most popular watch design. Everybody loves this style watch. It is from the company Olevs, and it is an homage watch to one of the most popular, if not the most popular, Rolex watches in existence. So I'm going to actually give this watch away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see what you need to do to enter to win this watch, because one of my lucky subscribers will be getting this watch for free. So, like I said, stay tuned and let's get into the watch review. Okay, guys, it is the Rolex Submariner, Blue Submariner homage watch made by Olevs Watches. It is a wonderful looking watch. It is very good quality, nice build on it. It has the laser etched crown logo on the winding crown itself. It has the rotating dive watch bezel. It is a wonderful watch with good weight, nice band, nice tight band, stainless steel, Olevs quality. They make great watches for budget friendly, with budget friendly prices. It's laser etched on the back. Wonderful looking watch. It is a great watch. If you're looking for something that you're not going to have to worry about, that you can wear, that looks beautiful, and you don't have to worry about it, this is the watch you're going to want to get. I mean, this thing is very sharp looking. It is a beautiful watch. I can't say enough good things about this watch. This watch brings in compliments. People like it. It's very sharp looking. It looks great no matter what you're wearing, whether you're wearing a suit, whether you're dressed up, or whether you're wearing a t-shirt and jeans. It just looks great. It's a wonderful looking watch, and I think they really did a great job on this homage watch. But this is the Olevs version of the Rolex Submariner. Wonderful looking watch, and like I said, one of my lucky subscribers is going to walk away with this watch for free. All you need to do to be eligible to win this watch is 1, like and subscribe. You have to be a subscriber in order to win this watch. Like this video, subscribe, and post in the comments section below in all capital letters, "nice watch," NICEWATCH, in all capital letters. And I will need to have, in order to hold the drawing, I will need to have 1,000 subscribers by April 30th, 2024 at midnight Eastern Time. If I have 1,000 subscribers by then, I will be going through the comments section, and anyone that posted "nice watch" in all capital letters that is a subscriber will be eligible to win this watch. One lucky person will win this watch. It will be a random drawing, and I will be giving this watch away. It will be shipped directly to you. So, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. You will not see any high-end luxury watches that cost thousands of dollars on this channel, because I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I believe you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So, if you're interested in this watch and you want to enter the contest, I need 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Like and subscribe. Share this with as many people as you can and post in the comments section below, "Nice watch" in all capital letters, and you will be entered in the drawing to win this watch. So, till next time, the next watch review video, my name is Dave the Watchman, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, and I will see you in the next watch review video. Good luck to everyone, and have a great weekend.